Hello everyone, I am back with another video. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a little over a month now, but you may recognize this right here. If you remember, a while back ago, I did a video on this garage door right here, and in that video I was fixing this garage door. Well, we have more problems. Not with this garage door, but with that one, and I'll get to that. If you haven't seen the video of this one, you can click right up there, the card that appeared. And it will also be linked at the end of this video. Now, earlier today, a little bit before I recorded this video, I came home from school and this garage door was open. Now usually I come in that garage door, but this one was open, so I came in. And once I got inside, my mom said that this garage door, which is actually my mom's, this garage door is broken, which is currently broken right now. And so I got this ladder out, and when this garage door was open, I got up on the ladder and I looked at this. Before I did that, I checked the sensors. The sensors are good. I also checked this button. You can see green lights, so that's good. And then after I checked those, I then got on the ladder and I looked at the rail. And I noticed that the trolley was down there, but the garage door was open. And so, my mom told me that earlier today, she went to open the garage door with the button. It opened like about 5 inches, and it went crashing down to the ground. It went like slamming, crashing down to the ground. And so, I looked up here, which I'll show you. That light is buzzing. I don't know if you can hear that, but if you look at this belt, so these are both belt driven. This opener is older. It's original from when I've lived here, ever since I've lived here. That one has been replaced, which I've explained that in the video on that garage door. So, if we look at this belt here, so you can see, like, that part's fine. But if we look here, you see that right there? Definitely not supposed to be like that. Now, you can look there. You can see the same thing, but bigger. So, this belt completely ripped apart. Now, that could be because of two reasons. One, if you can look, this big crack. This opener is probably a bit more than 10 years old. And for two, this garage door itself, even with these springs, it is really heavy. So probably the weight of this garage door helped split this apart. But now this belt is still pretty tight, which is surprising. I don't know how that's still tight. That's weird. But now let me explain. If we look over here, that spring is original to this garage door, and it's supposed to have one because, you know, it's a small door. This door, if I were to detach it and lift it up, I would have no problem. It would be easy. That's how it's supposed to be. That is the correct spring. Now, a while back ago, like, what a long time ago, if I remember correctly, one of these springs broke, and that same spring was on this garage door, but there were two of them. And one of those springs broke, so we had them replaced. And ever since they were replaced, you can probably tell that these springs are much smaller. So ever since those were put in, this garage door has been really heavy. So, after I showed my mom what happened with this, we decided to manually close this. Now, after she tried opening it with the button and it crashed, she manually opened it. And she said it was really hard, which I don't blame her, because it is hard. So that explains why it was open when I got home. And then later, you know, after I showed her the problem, we manually closed it. And I was a bit nervous to close it because I thought this would be pretty heavy and I wouldn't be able to handle it. So I got it closed. Wasn't that bad. If we need to, we can still manually open it, and I'll do it right now. I'm not going to open it far because I don't want it to attach to that. But I'll watch. That was very hard to open. So there's your problem there. That's the problem with this garage door. And at the time that this video was published, the next day or tomorrow, we're gonna have someone replace this belt. We're not sure if we're gonna have someone replace it or if I'm going to replace it myself, because I am a garage door nerd as well. But yeah, there's your problem there. So it's been a while since this garage door is broken, and it's probably a first because that belt has like never broke. So there's that for you. While we're here, why not show you that one in action? Now, I'm not going to be pressing the button for that because it's going to cause more issues. So yeah, we're just not going to press that button. But I will show you this one. Here's the button for that one. Here's the button for that one. Now, I'm going to show you that one in action, because why not? That's how far it opens. That's how far it has opened ever since. Let's go ahead and close it. Watch this. So, we got this garage door from Menards. Probably a little bit more than a year ago, maybe. And I helped install this garage door, and I was the one who programmed this. And when I programmed it, I made it close a little bit too tight, but it's fine. So it kind of pushes up the rail a little bit, and you can maybe kind of see that the belt hangs down a little. And when you go to open it, that belt flops around like crazy, so there's the story with this one. So, that's pretty much going to be the end of this video. And that will be that.